ProHR digitalizes the assessments and automates to your convenience. The assessment module has initial screening, video screening, quiz, practical test, online and in-person interview options, which are extensively customizable according to organizational and role-based requirement. Let's have a look at how we configure and execute assessments from employer and employee perspective. First stop is setting up quiz template for a graphics designer. We need to go to quiz option, and from there we can simply make the questionnaire by adding from template. We have a pre-built questionnaire for the graphics designer role alongside the correct answers. We can always add new questions from the options. Once all set, we should exit the panel by saving the quiz. Now, in order to send the quiz to all selected candidates, we go back to Applicants section, then select all candidates, and from bulk options select Quiz Test Sent, and the quiz will automatically be sent to the candidate, and the individuals will be notified via email. We can check if the candidate has submitted the quiz by navigating to Quiz section from Applicants profile. Let's take a look how the quiz appears for the selected candidates. Candidate can start quiz by selecting Agree to rules above. Once the quiz is submitted, we get to see the results from applicant's profile, including time taken and tab switched figure. We can set automation perimeter here. For example, if we want all applicants scoring 7 or more to proceed for next step. For practical test, we go to test section and click on new practical test. We can put the questions in there or associate them through URL and file. Once everything is finalized, we can save the test and exit. Now, in order to send the practical test to candidate, we need to follow the same generic procedure, like in quiz section, and the individual will be notified via email. Candidate will receive the questions in the way shown here. They can create the design and upload the file. Once the file is uploaded, employer panelists can see it from applicant's profile and assess them accordingly by clicking the Evaluate button. This section also has a provision for putting remarks by the panelist. Scheduling online or offline interview for shortlisted candidates is only a click away. We need to go to candidate profile and go to interview section and select the type of interview and relevant other fields. There is also provision for instruction remarks, which can be used to deliver specific message for the candidate. Panelists can be selected from interviewers drop-down. Once all set and the invitation is sent, the candidates will receive it via notification and email. For online interview, ProHR has its own interview platform where panelists can assess and mark the candidate in real time. The schedule will be confirmed automatically to calendar of both parties upon acceptance. The panel members and decision makers can report on any candidate on whether to further proceed or reject with the candidature. Based on the decision, the specific candidate will be offered with the position. Person in charge can select from pre-templated offer letters available or can create custom as required. Once all the relevant fields are covered, the offer letter is ready to be sent. The selected candidates will receive the offer via notification and email. They can either accept the offer or decline it. Also, they can add any of their statement, expectation, and requirement in the comment section.